case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1996, the United States Court of Appeals for the Second Circuit heard the case International Dairy Foods Asin v. Amestoy, which centered around the government's ability to regulate commercial speech. The case determined whether the government could force companies to disclose information not related to preventing consumer deception if it served an important government interest without being overly broad. Dairy manufacturers in Vermont, led by the International Dairy Foods Association, challenged a state law that required them to label products made from cows treated with a synthetic growth hormone. They argued the law violated their First Amendment and Commerce Clause rights. The situation led to a lawsuit in which the appellate court found that the district court had erred in not granting the manufacturer's motion for preliminary injunction, stating that the Vermont labeling law was unconstitutional. At the core of the case was Vermont's statute mandating labeling for retail milk or milk products produced using rBST. Despite being offered 4 labeling options by the Commissioner of Agriculture, the manufacturers maintained that the requirement to disclose such information violated their constitutional rights. The appellate court agreed and reversed the district court's decision, finding that the manufacturers had demonstrated sufficient harm to their First Amendment rights and a likelihood of success on their claim. The court further held that Vermont could not force dairy manufacturers to disclose if their products were from rBST-treated herds based solely on consumer curiosity. Instead, disclosure requirements would be permissible only if they were related to preventing consumer deception. The lower court's decision was overturned, as the appellants had shown serious harm and a likelihood of winning the case. Consequently, the case was sent back to the lower court for a new order aimed at preventing the harm.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.